AP SB TET C20 third semester first year notification Jan 20 February 2022 for regular and supplementary examinations. Applications are invited from the eligible candidates of C20 scheme to appear third semester regular and first year supplementary diploma examination. Year 91 scheme first year supplementary examinations to be conducted by board during Jan February 2022. ABSB C20 third semester first year notification Jan February 2022 for regular supplementary exams. Subject regarding to SBTET board diploma examination for third semester regular and first year supplementary examinations of C20 and first year pharmacy of ER 91 scheme supplementary examinations in Jan and February 2022 notification issued regarding with reference to the subject cited above. Copy of the detailed notifications are invited applications from eligible candidates of C20 scheme to appear for the regular examinations of third semester and first year supplementary examination year 91 supplementary examinations of Jan February 2022 which will be commenced from 7 to by February 7th 2022 tentatively are herewith furnished. Further, it is informed that the candidate appear for the diploma examinations of C20 scheme can be make examination fee payment through payment gateway, credit card, debit card, net banking. The hall tickets cannot be generated towards the amount directly deposited in the SBTET amount as it is automated. If the candidate details are not available in portal, contact the principal of polytechnic where they are studied. After downloading the hall ticket, the candidate has to obtain signature from the concerned head of the section or principal on the hall ticket before appearing for the examination. Further, principals are requested to give necessary instructions to the head of the section to sign the hall ticket obtained for diploma examination, subject after through verification. Andhra Pradesh SBTET Diploma Exam 2020-22. C20 regular examinations A branch, AA branch, AEI, CEM branch, CPP, EC, EEE, GTM, MNG, PET, CH, CHOT, CHPC, CHPP, CHST, NET, TT, BM, BMT, AMG, WD, CAI, third semester C20 supplementary examinations, same branches for but first year. Okay. SBTET C20 important dates. Practical examination before examination. Commencement of theory examination 7th February 2022. Tentatively. Date of commencement for the payment of examination fee through online 6 by 1 2022. Last date for the payment of the examination fee without penalty to all the candidates 17 by Jan. Last date for payment of the examination fee penalty to all candidates 19 by 1. Last date payment for examination fee and submission of application for under Tatkal scheme. Tatkal scheme 2001. Okay, last date for uploading unit test mocks and SM to SBTET 26 by 2. Submission of practical examination mocks to SBTET 26 by 2. SBTET examination fee details. Fee for all part of examination 550 rupees. Fee for all or part examination for the pharmacy course 800 rupees. Late fee penalty 600 rupees. Tatkal scheme 3000 rupees including examination fee. Fourth one, coordination fee up to 10%, that is from about 65% below and below 75% 800 rupees. And you can download the official notification here by clicking. Special instructions are no candidate is allowed into the examination hall to write the exam after 15 minutes commencement of the examination. That's all.